everyone, I am Arnav from class 6B. Now I am presenting our today's topic G20. G20, the group of 20 is the premier intergovernmental forum for international economic cooperation. The forum plays an important role in shaping and strengthening global architecture and governance on all major economic international issues. G20 comprises 19 individual countries plus the European Union. G20 was founded in 1999. The first G20 meeting featured finance ministers and the heads of each country's central bank. But in 2008, during the global financial crisis, summits of the leaders from each member country were introduced. Now, the G20 nations represent about two-thirds of world population, 85% of global gross domestic product, and over 75% of global trade. On December 1st, 2022, will remain a watershed moment for India and its 1.41 billion citizens, as the country received the glorious opportunity to host the largest ever multilateral event on its soil, the G20 Presidency 2023. This is an honor as well as great responsibility, as this occasion has come during the Amrit Kal of our independence. India's G20 presidency officially began with the University Connect program, which witnessed youth engagement on a large scale. These young people will lead India from the front in the years to come. The theme of India's G20 presidency is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, or One Earth, One Family and One Future. The G20 logo draws inspiration from vibrant colors of India's flag. Now presenting the inspiration of G20 logo, India.
Influence. India, home of 1.3 billion people, is a confluence of religion, tradition and customs. A thriving global center of technology and the world's largest democracy. As one of the oldest civilizations in the world with a rich cultural heritage and diversity, and as the fifth largest economy in the world, India is proud to assume the presidency of G20. As the country blooms into a new era, we look to another poignant symbol for humanity to emerge victorious from its challenges. Lotus, the national flower of India, representing our culture, history and heritage. A poignant symbol for humanity to emerge victorious from its challenges. And the inspiration for India's G20 logo design. The design, rendered in saffron, white, green and blue, is drawn from the national flag of India. The 7 petals in the logo signify the 7 seas and the coming together of 7 continents at G20 India 2023.
India is working with a vision to bring the entire world together to achieve the common objective of a better future during its G20 presidency. Even if the world is in a deep crisis, we can still progress and make the world a better place. G20 aims to bring the world together in harmony while respecting diversity. During its G20 presidency, India will be holding about 200 meetings in 32 different sectors at multiple gatherings to be. Now, presenting the theme song of G20 from India.
अतिथि देवो भव अतिथि देवो भव सुस्वागतम् सुस्वागतम् विश्व में शांति लाएंगे हर मुश्किल को हराएंगे विश्व में शांति लाएंगे हर मुश्किल को हराएंगे अब होगा विश्व खुशहाल हमारा होगा विश्व खुशहाल G20 सरहद सीमा ना रही कोई हर राष्ट्र हुआ एक सूत्र में सब मिलकर जश्न मनाएंगे हर देश को स्वस्थ बनाएंगे अर्थव्यवस्था भी सुधरे स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था भी सुधरे अब होगा विश्व खुशहाल हमारा होगा विश्व खुशहाल G20
The 2024 G20 Brazil Summit is the upcoming 19th meeting of Group of 20, a summit scheduled to take place in Brazil in 2024. Now, we are concluding our topic today with the hope of one earth, one family, one future. Thank you.
Now we are at the end of our today's assembly, so get ready for school song followed by the national anthem. Thank you.